we'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox share link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click it. A window will pop up asking how you'd like to share your item. Here, you can choose to share via email or create a link. Since we want to create a share link, click on the Create Link option. The link will generate automatically, and you'll see it right there in the window. You can click SoPy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Once you have the link, you can paste it into an email, a chat app, or wherever you need to share it. If you want to control who can view or edit the file, you can adjust the settings by clicking on the Link Settings, or gear icon, next to the Copy Link button. Here, you can set permissions like whether others can edit or just view the file. You can also set an expiration date for the link if you don't want it to be accessible indefinitely. Remember that Dropbox's sharing features are very powerful, so take a moment to configure these settings according to your needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a share link in Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.